Welcome to Easy Money. Welcome to Easy Money. Now, I don't know how many videos you've already watched up until this point, but I personally know from my experience that I spent hours on end researching my very first credit card before I got it. I wish there was a one-stop shop where I could just watch one video and decide. I hope this video right here can be that video for you. I know, thank me later. So let's just get into it. My top 3 beginner credit cards. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Easy Money, where money making is made easy, where we talk about wealth building strategies so you can live the life that you deserve. Now, today we're going to be talking about why you should even get into the credit card game and what the benefits are, and just which credit cards you should be looking at when getting started. Credit cards can be used for many things. You can use credit cards to leverage your way out of debt. If you're interested in a video like that, make sure to comment down below that you are. You can use credit cards to travel for free, to get car rental insurance when you travel, to even improve your credit score, which can really save you thousands in the long run. Of course, there are critics, but if you play the game right, you can come out on top. Now, here are those cards that you need to look at when you're getting started in this credit card game. All of the cards that I've included herein will not have any sort of annual fee attached to them. That way, that'll take off some of the pressure you may feel to spend money to make up for that annual fee. Hold on. If you're interested in more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button also so that this video can populate to the masses so more people can take advantage of the facts that I'm about to lay down for you. All right, let's get started. So if you have absolutely no credit at all or really crappy credit, I would suggest you get started with the Discover It cards. I personally got started here at the Discover It secured card. Let's talk a little bit about what a secured card is really quick. If you're looking at a secured card, it's likely that you're a high-risk borrower, which means that banks aren't necessarily going to trust you. With a secured card, you're going to be expected to put an upfront deposit of, let's say, $300. Discover, for this example, is going to take that $300 and give you a $300 credit limit for this card. You're going to go about using this card as normal, right, but responsibly. And then after a certain period of time, they're going to give you your $300 back. And then they're going to graduate your secured card to an unsecured card, at which point you'll have a normal credit card. And once you get this credit card, you'll have a $300 limit, but Discover will be increasing that limit periodically. Obviously you're going to have to maintain good credit behavior, but yeah, over every 6 months or so, they will increase your credit limit. The perks of this card include 2% cash back on restaurants and gas stations and 1% back on all other purchases. So Discover will match your rewards in the first year that you hold this card. So let's say that you make $20 on cash back. They will match that and you will have $40 at the end of your first year. Please keep in mind though that this is an introductory perk. So after the year is up, no longer exists. This card also reports to the 3 major credit card bureaus on a monthly basis. So if you're working to repair your credit, this could be a really great perk because you can monitor your credit and your credit behavior, and you can adjust your spending habits in real time, which could be a great learning tool. But be careful with this. You don't want any late payments because this will be reported monthly. Now, no transaction fees with this card, but keep in mind Discover isn't widely accepted in the US, but not a huge issue. Just keep that in mind depending on where you live in the US. So after holding this card for a little while, I decided I wanted more benefits. So I called Discover up and asked if they could switch my card over to Discover It cash back card. And they did so willingly. I mean, it didn't take much effort at all. I didn't even have to receive another card in the mail. They just transitioned my card over. You do have to activate this card monthly though. So Discover It Cashback card offers 5% back on rotating categories. As you see here, the categories change quarterly, so that means every 3 months. So this is a cash back card. So if you're planning on earning points for travel using this card, that's not going to happen. This card I would suggest for people who are looking to just bring their credit score up to par. So these cards that I'm about to mention are actually in the Chase Freedom line. If you're interested in a comparison between the 2 cards I'm about to mention, please check out the cards above. I will link to it there. Now, this is a heavily debated topic, so you're going to have to make sure that this decision fits your lifestyle and how involved you like to be in this process. So there are 2 cards that I'm about to mention. The first one is the Chase Freedom, and then the second is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom is good for the person who likes to be active in earning their points. This card offers 5% back on rotating categories up to $1,500, and then it drops down to 1%. Now, let's say that you have the Discover It Cashback card, the one with the rotating categories that I mentioned earlier. Say that you have both of these cards at the same time. This increases your chances of being able to get 5% back on your purchase. The Chase Freedom Unlimited now offers 1.5% on all purchases with absolutely no limit. This is less hassle. You don't have to think about which category it is. Both of these cards come with a sign-up bonus of $250 after spending $500 in the first 3 months. I do have to take this time right now in good conscience to say that if you're not already spending $500 within 3 months, if this isn't just normal spend for you, and you're going out of your way to spend $500 in order to get the $250, you're being played. So it's important when you're looking to meet a sign-up bonus that you're spending money that you would already be spending anyways. Get your family members to swipe your card and have them pay you in cash or something. I would not go out of my way though to increase my spend in order to get a sign-up bonus. I'm so sorry. With both of these cards, you can earn 5% cash back on grocery store purchases in the first year up to $12,000 spent. This doesn't include Target or Walmart, unfortunately. So the intro APR also for these cards is 0% for the first 15 months. There is, however, a 3% foreign transaction fee with these cards if you do plan on traveling. Just keep that in mind. Unlike the Discover It cards, though, you can transfer the points that you earn on these two cards up the Chase Sapphire line and then get travel perks with these points. So let's say you're earning 5% back on some of the purchases with the Freedom card. You can turn that into 7.5% back immediately and then even earn even more depending on how you redeem these points. Last but not least is the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. This card is offered in the form of a secured card and a student card also. Let's take a look. There's a sign-up bonus of $200 of cash rewards after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days of you holding this card. You can earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice. So you could choose between gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, home improvements, and you can change this category every month. That is so great for pairing with the rotating category cards that we mentioned a little bit earlier. Now, you can also get 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, 1% cash back on all other purchases. Like the Freedom cards, this card does have a 3% transaction fee. It also offers a 0% APR bonus, but unlike the Freedom cards, this lasts only 12 months instead of the 15 months. So which of these cards do you like, or would you recommend to a newbie just getting started? I'm interested to hear your take. Make sure to comment down below. If you guys got value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time here on Easy Money.